item, update and discussion regarding Town of Hickory Creek versus Ronald Furtick.
Good evening, Mayor and Council. In part of the spirit of openness and transparency, we're providing you and the members of the public this update about this pending lawsuit. As you are fully aware and committed, the town itself is committed to protecting the health, safety, and welfare of the residents of the town. In order to protect those fundamental community interests, on December 20th, 2024, the town filed suit against Ron Furtick and his associated entities in an effort to halt and prevent ongoing and serious violations of the town's code occurring at his property at 1500 Tuberville Road. These violations include, but are not limited to, the unlawful discharge of unsanitary wastewater and sewage, zoning violations, illegal signs, along with illegal and unpermitted utility work. All of those have created substantial and unacceptable risks to the public health, environmental integrity, and the overall quality of life for town residents. To date, Mr. Furtick has paid fines totaling $13,520 based on approximately 60 citations issued through the town's municipal court. Mr. Furtick's property is currently served by an undersized and illegally modified septic system dating from 2002 that was designed and sized to serve only 5 mobile homes on the property, and those mobile homes were limited in size to not more than 896 feet. Based on available data and information, there are approximately 13 mobile homes on the property today, along with 75 recreational vehicles and trailers, many of which are occupied by residents. There is no sewer system on site to accommodate all of the additional living units that have been brought on site since the property was annexed into the town more than 20 years ago. Additionally, there is no record of any permits for the other utility services being provided to most of those occupants and all of the recently added trailers. In spite of Mr. Furtick and his legal counsel's formal opposition to the town's repeated requests to simply inspect the property, the town was finally authorized a limited inspection of the premises, and the results of that inspection were disturbing. They include evidence of illegal and unpermitted modifications to the already undersized septic system. The inspection also revealed multiple occupied trailers and recreational vehicles for which no utility permits of any kind had been applied for or obtained. This includes permits for water service, sewer service, and or electrical service. The inspection also revealed trash and rubbish, along with illegal and unpermitted accessory structures and junk motor vehicles. Apparently, recognizing and acknowledging the need for significantly more robust sewer capacity at the property, Mr. Furtick's engineer did prepare plans for a new sewer system on the property that would provide the needed capacity and a direct connection to LCMUA. Those plans that were approved in July of 2025, however, since that time, even through today, there has still been no connection to LCMUA. Mr. Furtick's obstructionist conduct to date has included fighting the town's ability to inspect the property, refusing the town's request for his deposition and the deposition of his corporate entity, even where the town on its side of things has cooperated fully with the discovery process. In addition, their obstructionist conduct includes failing to apply for required permits for utility work on the property. From the outset and through today, the town's sole goal has been and remains bringing the property into compliance with all applicable codes. Mr. Furtick has been given more than ample opportunity to do so, and the town has been left with no choice but to continue the issuance of citations and the prosecution of its lawsuit against him. Madam Mayor, that is our update.